on to Twitter's favorite team. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Team Solitaire, which this year is Team Solitaire Heartbeat Hot Sauce Yamaha. A super fun team. If you don't follow them on Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, they're really engaging. You know, if you tweet them or something like a joke, they'll get right back to you. They're fun guys. It's a good little team. Obviously, they don't run motocross and they only do one coast. But this year, out is Robbie Wageman and Ryan Surratt, and in is Dominic. I'm assuming Thury and Cole Thompson, who I don't know. It's a cool team. There's not really much to say about them because they're a fun little team that run the West Coast. You know, they build a good team on a small budget. They take in guys. They try and give them a chance to get noticed by a bigger team and move on. It's a cool thing that they do. I mean, obviously it's a lot of money and a lot of time and effort for mechanics and the team owners and getting the bikes all set and all the sponsors and everything. But it is helpful instead of these two guys having to try and do it themselves. They've got a team behind them. They've got, you know, sponsors and mechanics, people to help them, and it's a cool thing they do. And obviously, again, they are a fun team. Just social media, good guys, fun thing. If you don't follow them, go do it. But yeah, we'll see how they do. They're only running the West. Both of them are, I'm assuming, both running West Coast. So tell me in the comments below how you think they're going to do. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me with the algorithm and playing that game. You know how it goes. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.